Outrigger Waikiki Beach Resort sits right on world-famous Waikiki Beach at 2335 Kalakaua Avenue in Honolulu, Hawaii. This puts guests literally steps from the soft sand and surf that Waikiki is known for, with easy access to ocean activities, beachfront dining, and the energetic Waikiki Entertainment District. The resort's central location makes it a popular choice for travelers who want to be immersed in both scenic beauty and the vibrant Waikiki scene. The resort offers a range of accommodations from oceanfront rooms with private balconies to city and partial ocean views, catering to different preferences and budgets. Many rooms provide spectacular views of the Pacific Ocean and Waikiki Beach at sunrise and sunset. Guests can also upgrade to Voyager 47 Club Lounge access, which includes breakfast, evening pupus appetizers, and premium beverages with uninterrupted beachfront panoramas. Outrigger Waikiki Beach Resort features a variety of authentic island dining experiences right on site. The beachfront Duke's Waikiki restaurant is legendary for fresh island cuisine, tropical cocktails, and live music right on the sands of Waikiki Beach. Other on-site options include Blue Note Hawaii, a vibrant jazz and live entertainment venue, and casual spots like Sunrise Shack for tropical bites, coffee, and healthful meals. The resort's restaurants emphasize local flavors and often incorporate live Hawaiian music and cultural atmosphere into the dining experience. Gotta go back. Staying here connects you to classic Hawaiian activities and cultural offerings. The Outrigger Activities Desk helps guests book surfing lessons, stand-up paddleboard sessions, outrigger canoe rides, and other ocean adventures right from the beach. Cultural experiences like ukulele lessons, hula classes, and lei making bring Hawaiian traditions to life. Waikiki's surf culture is literally in the hotel's backyard, with the famed Faith Surf School operating just outside. In addition to leisure travel, the resort caters to weddings and events, offering picturesque beachfront settings and dedicated planning services. Whether it's a tropical vow renewal or a corporate retreat with a view, the resort's location and amenities make it ideal for memorable occasions. Guest services also include surfing lessons, beach services, a swimming pool, valet parking, spa options, and accessibility features. While the resort enjoys prime location and beach access, guests note that the rooms can feel a bit dated compared with ultra-luxury Waikiki properties, though many appreciate its authentic Hawaiian charm and friendly staff. Its strengths are often cited as location, beach access, and cultural experiences, while some travelers recommend booking upgrades, like club lounge access, for even better value.
I suck. We were waiting for you the whole time. Where are you at?
I thought you went all the way out to the street. All the way out to the street.
Ha! We were yapping. They were yapping.
Find me a diamond ring.
Remember, you told her to get it first. I'm not forgetting.
I'm not getting no push. I gotta wait till
I heard this. You have 3 weeks. Gonna sell it. Be one of those 3-wheelers or something.
Oh, that would be funny if you came back right up with the
she can buy it for that birthday.